Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be looking at another lead code problem named as longest common prefix. The problem definition is as follows. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string among an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. For example, the input contains an array of strings which consists of three strings, namely flower, flow, and flight. The common prefix here is FL and it is the longest common prefix, so the output is FL. Whereas in another example, the string contains dog, race car, and car. Since there is no common prefix, the output is an empty string. Now let's have a look at the approach by considering example 1 strings, which consist of three strings, namely flower, flow, and flight. So initially we need to find the minimum string among these strings, which is flow, and the length of the minimum string is 4. Let's declare another variable count to 0. So our algorithm is as follows. For I is equal to 0 to length of minimum string, for j is equal to 0 to size of string arrays, if the ith character of jth string is not equal to the ith character of minimum string, then we need to return the sub array, which is from 0 up to count number of elements. After finishing the loop, we need to increment the value of count and finally return the same sub array, that is starting from 0 up to count elements. So now consider the example where three strings are flower, flow, and flight, and the minimum string is flow. Initially, the value of I is 0. So now we check whether each of the following character is equal or not. Since all the characters are equal, let's move forward. So let us now again consider the second character of each string and compare it. Even now all the characters are same. So let's move forward. Now we can have a look that the character O is common in the first and second string, whereas the third string contains another character, that is I. So we come to this condition where the ith character of jth string, that is the third string, is not equal to the ith character of minimum string, that is O. So now we return the substring starting from 0 up to count element. Since the value of count is 2, we return FL as a longest common prefix. So now we can begin with the actual code. At the beginning, let us initialize count value to 0 and min value to 1000. You can initialize the value of min to any other value greater than 1000 and declare a string, which is the min string. Now we need to find the min strings among the string arrays. So here we traverse the array of strings, and for each string we find the string length and store it in len. And if the value of len is less than min, then we found a minimum string. So after finishing the loop, we get the length of the minimum string stored in min and the minimum string stored in str. So now we can apply our algorithm, which is for I is equal to 0 to min. For j is equal to 0 to size of array of strings. Now if the ith character of jth string is not equal to the ith character of minimum string, then we need to return the subarray. For that we can insert an if statement. Here strs of j represents the jth string and strs of ji represents the ith character of jth string. If this is not equal to the ith character of the minimum string, then return the subarray. We can use the substr inbuilt function which is present in the string stl library. And after the inner loop, we increment the value of count. And after finishing the outer loop, we return the same substring, that is beginning at 0 up to count number of elements. So we can check our code by running. Since our code shows no error, we can proceed further and submit our code. And it got accepted successfully. So if you found the video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such upcoming videos. Thank you.